Indian position and extension. Location and extent of India. We learn about the following in this chapter. Times location of India in Asia and the world. Times extent and frontiers of India. Times neighboring countries of India. Location. Geographically, India is located in the northern hemisphere and is at the center of the eastern hemisphere. It is a peninsula situated in Southeast Asia. The mainland of India extends from 80.4 to 370.6 north latitude and from 680.7 to 970.25 east longitude. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend further southwards and add to India's latitudinal extent. The Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in the Nicobar Island at 6 degrees 45 N latitude. The northern tip of India is Indira Kernel in Jammu and Kashmir. Location of India in Asia and the world. Arctic Ocean, Antarctica, Europe. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees half N, passes through the middle of the country, and 82 degrees half E longitude is the central meridian of India. The Indian Standard Time, IST, is based on this longitude. Canada, China, the USA, Brazil, and Australia. It has a total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers. It accounts for only 2.42% of the world's total area. The east to west extent of India is over 2,933 kilometers, and from the north to south extent is 3,214 kilometers. 820.30 longitude east, 37 degrees Indira call 6 north latitude, southernmost lat. 6 degrees 45 Tropic of Cancer. Frontiers. India has both land and water frontiers. The land frontiers of the country are about 15,200 kilometers. Except in some places, India has natural frontiers almost on all sides. The Himalayan ranges form a natural frontier in the north between India and China. The mainland of India has a water frontier of about 6,100 kilometers. The total length of India's coastline, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.5 kilometers. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Bay of Bengal in the east form the water frontiers. They are also natural frontiers. Neighboring countries. India has 7 neighboring countries. Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the northwest, Nepal, Bhutan, and China are to the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar are to the east. To the southeast is Sri Lanka, which is separated from the mainland of India by the Polk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Do you know? Times the Radcliffe Line, the boundary line between India and Pakistan. Times the Durand Line, the boundary line separating India from Afghanistan. Times the McMahon Line, the boundary line between India and China. Administrative divisions. India is a democratic republic. Keeping in view the primacy of regional languages and administrative efficiency, India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, which includes the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Telangana is the newest state. Among the states, Rajasthan is the largest state, and Goa is the smallest state.